Vsauce, Michael here. As you guys know that Pewds and T-Series is at war. And not many people know how to subscribe to Pewds. So I've made a quick guide on how to subscribe to Pewdiepie. Things that you need are an internet connection, a laptop, PC or a mobile that runs YouTube. If you're using a laptop, then type www.youtube.com. And in the search section here, I want you guys to type Pewdiepie. This is the first channel that pops up. So I want you guys to click subscribe. By the way, it's that red button. In a mobile phone, you do the same thing. You just search Pewdiepie and then you click the big red subscribe button. And that's it. If you have any questions, just type in the comment section below. I know I did this in a rush, but if you guys still didn't get it, I can do an advanced tutorial on it. Something like an 8-part series. So if you guys are interested in that, just type in the comment section below. And as always, I don't have a catchphrase.